Hey, I'm gonna make some clean noises for you today. First one is okay, let's restart. Here's the top 10 noises I can make. Here's number 10. Number 9. Number 8. Number 7. Here's some mouth noises. Number 6. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1. See y'all, suckers.